So we haven't done one of these in a while, but we're out here in a guard-gated community, Anthem Country Club, and we have a new $1 million property that we just got accepted.
Yeah, we locked this one up for $843,000. We think it might be worth $1.1 million, but we gotta go inside and see what it looks like.
Time for a buyer pass.
Check it out. So we're walking a property with the contractor today. This is a 2,600 square foot property in Anthem Country Club here in Henderson, Las Vegas.
And just walking in, the outside's actually pretty nice. Landscaping was nice, paint's nice, the driveway's nice. So immediately I'm already liking it.
Yeah, love the outside. Curb appeal's beautiful, but in here,
totally
just
different.
walking in, obviously it's very dark in here.
Yeah.
The paint color's too dark, the carpet's very dark. Easy fix for us.
Right. The only thing that might not be is I'm seeing a lot of division in the rooms.
Yeah.
Like that rotunda is very small. This really closes us off, but it could be structural because it's right in the middle. And then I think this is part of the kitchen wall, but everything just seems so choppy.
So I'm trying to figure out what the rooms are. It's kind of odd just walking in the front door. We have what seems to be a formal dining room here.
Yeah.
What's this over here though?
Well, there's patches on the wall from maybe an old TV that they hung. So a den, maybe those are
Like
two
a
chairs sitting there.
formal entry room, like
Yeah.
foyer or whatever.
I'd rather
Foyer.
see, depending on what we can open up, I'd rather see that as a dining room and include this entire thing as more of a living space.
More of living space, yeah.
Yeah.
It would open it way up in here.
Yeah.
But we got to see with the contractor, is this load bearing and is this column load bearing?
That's the number one thing I want to get rid of right away when I walk in here.
Yeah, at the very least what we could do is get rid of this pony wall so you could walk through it
If we have to keep this.
if we have to keep that.
Yeah.
So,
Okay.
I don't know, we'll see.
Could be living, could be dining. Obviously this is part of like the living room here where we have our fireplace. So we do some sort of feature here. That would be really nice.
Yeah, we could make this super cool. Put a big slider in here. The doors aren't bad,
They're really nice.
but the thing right now is sliders. So I think that we would have to replace that with a sliding door,
Maybe.
modernize it a bit.
That's always something if the budget's too high that we could not do.
Right. We
Paint
could always
them.
paint them
Yeah.
black or something like that and make them look really good.
But I like how this flows right into the kitchen,
Yeah.
which is super nice, but again, it's a little bit small, it's kind of closed off. If this wall could go away and we could have a full rear kitchen wall with a big island, and this was kind of open to the other side of that, it'd feel a lot better.
Yeah. Or, you know, one thing, if that doesn't go because it's load bearing,
Yeah.
you could always double stack these cabinets.
For sure.
Which double stacking is putting another set of cabinets on top to the ceiling all the way around to make it feel like a really big, tall kitchen.
Yeah.
I like the island. It gives us the ability to do a nice small waterfall island here. That's always an upgrade.
Very important, skylight. Very important.
We have to delete the skylight.
Maybe hang pendants or something.
Hang two pendants over the island.
Yeah.
I really think we can make the kitchen nice.
Yeah.
The kitchen, living area, you know, I think we can make this a really nice space. Still have the nook here with a nice light.
I immediately want to delete that window for some reason. I just want to see the kitchen go all the way to the end.
Okay.
Because it wouldn't really sacrifice a hell of a lot of space here.
Yeah.
And this window just looks at a wall anyway.
Right.
What does it even do for you?
That would make the kitchen feel huge.
Oh, this entire thing, right?
Yeah, that's a good idea.
Not that much more
And then we
expensive.
could still fit, you know, maybe do lowers here, free hanging shelves
Yeah.
up here to add some, you know, to not make it feel so crowded.
Or maybe even make the window smaller and use it around the cabinets or something.
Keep the light in here.
Yeah. But anyway, let's see what else this house
like that.
has for us. All right, so I found the master bedroom. Welcome in.
You know,
To the green carpet.
I like the green carpet. I think we could keep it.
I think you need to leave if you want to keep this carpet. This is not happening. This is old, even though it's in good condition, it's not staying.
Yeah, one thing that's a little odd for the master, we usually like to do a custom TV wall in the master.
Yeah, the
I
slider.
think that's the bed wall there.
Yeah.
And then you got a slider right in the middle of
Right.
this accent wall. I don't know if the slider is extremely necessary for the master bedroom.
I mean, how far is it to go out there and out the other doors?
Yeah, how often are you gonna use this? You
I
know,
would say never.
Probably never. So I actually think it might be a benefit to delete the slider,
Use the wall.
use this wall, and make a really cool custom LED fireplace wall so that the master feels ultra upgraded in here, because there's not a lot of space in this house. There's really only 2 bedrooms in the actual house. And then there's a small casita that we'll look at too. So we got to make the best out of it.
So the master bathroom is kind of like the bedroom, again, very small.
Yeah.
There's not a whole lot of space in here.
Super dated, old, square tiles. You know, this place.
Floral accents, very, very needed, very in style.
Very 80s.
But we'd have to obviously like open up the shower, maybe get rid of the tub because we aren't putting a lot of tubs back in when there's no space.
Yeah.
Utilize more vanity space.
Shower wise, what is this, a little coat closet?
Yeah, it's not really needed.
Yeah, we could probably try to utilize.
But it's a weird angle, you know?
Yeah, most of this space somehow, some way to extend the shower, but
yeah,
we can't put it anywhere else. I think it's got to go there.
Yeah, I think you're right. I mean, the closet obviously is back. It's actually pretty good size. These are pretty nice too.
Yeah.
So the closet's actually pretty nice. It's a good size. We probably can't relocate anything into here, but it's got a lot of upgrades, like these pull downs. Definitely a nice expensive upgrade. But yeah, I think the shower would have to stay there because we can't really move it anywhere else.
Yeah, I think we pretty much have to keep the bathroom like for like, but of course, all new vanities, mirrors, fixtures, you know, that will make it look better. One thing that we could do here that we've done is take out all these old dated square block windows and put in some nice custom linear windows up top. I think we should actually put the freestanding tub back in here because remember with the freestanding tub, we're gonna save like 8 to 10 inches without this tile, and it's gonna make the bathroom feel bigger because you can see all the way around it.
But still run it that way?
But still run it the same way. I don't think we need a makeup counter over here. So if we have, keep that vanity there, keep this makeup counter, delete this makeup counter here. We could like tile up the back wall of the tub, square the soffit off.
I think just getting rid of the soffit would help. If you just brought all that up, because it looks like there's only electrical in it.
We might be able to. That would really make the room feel a lot taller. We could put much higher mirrors in.
It's needed, yeah.
Shower, I think we can make nice with tall glass, tile it right, put a big niche in it.
Yeah.
It's not a horrible master bath for the size of the house.
But overall, the house is feeling small.
It's feeling a little bit tiny, yeah.
Let's go check out the rest.
So we have a pretty good sized laundry room here, a single bedroom here with a full bath. But the third bedroom is actually separated from the house in a casita, so let's check that out.
I know, so it's nice that it has a third bedroom. It does have its own bath, but you have to come outside to get into this room, which maybe some people see as a plus because if they have in-laws quarters or something that's separate, it is very separate. But if you don't want it to be, there's really no solution to that.
Yeah, it's also tiny.
It's a little tiny bedroom here,
Feels
so
very small.
yeah. I don't know. It's not a super positive to me. I'd like it to be part of the house.
I do too. I mean, you're thinking this is a very family-oriented neighborhood. A lot of schools nearby. Kids are going to live inside the house. I mean, I don't know if this is very positive. I think that this is actually a negative.
Okay. Well, let's go check out the backyard. It's the last thing to see.
So the house is kind of small. There's some positives. I think more negatives than positives inside the house. Only 2 bedrooms, small casita bedroom. I like the kitchen. I like the living area.
But are you hearing how loud you have to talk right now? Because we're right backed up to one of the main arterials of Anthem Country Club. It's a busy street.
It's pretty busy. It's pretty loud back here, I'm not gonna lie.
And it's not like you can see it, which, okay, that's great, but anytime you're out here, no matter where you are in your backyard, you're gonna hear cars going by.
One thing that we've told each other time and time again, and sometimes we go back on it and it ends up biting us, is we don't buy homes that back up to loud roads.
Yeah.
Because buyers just tend to pass on them a lot more than they tend to buy them. So this would be going against our theory once again. We don't like doing that. We always suggest that you don't buy a house backing up to a street. You know, the rest of the yard's not bad.
No, I mean, it's a great PebbleTech pool. I think the side yard over here, let's take a look at that, actually has a lot of space. We could get rid of some of this concrete so it's not an entirely cement backyard.
Yeah, I think cutting this out, adding turf or carrying this
that's cool
through the yard is really nice.
Bringing this through here, adding some green to the backyard. But again, no matter what we do, it's not gonna make any difference to the sound.
That's not. You know, there's really only 2 ways to go about this. Buy it at a price that people can't refuse or pass on it.
Yeah.
I don't know which one we're gonna do.
Well, we'd have to go back and see if we can renegotiate to see if we can get a lower price. If that doesn't happen, honestly, my vote's gonna be no.
Yeah, well, let's see. What do you guys think about this house? Do you think we should buy this house or pass on it? Drop a comment below and let us know.
Until then,
we'll see you on the flip side.